Hi guys, just thought I'd jump down and grab some lunch out of the garden, and things are pretty minimal now, probably compared to other times of the year, but there's still some goodies down there to get. I've got some shallots here. They're a bit dry, but they'll come up quite well when you just peel them out of dry layers of skin off, and they'll be fine. Quite slow growing though, the old shallots. Managed to get a bit of a yield here though. Got some lettuce. Some of this lettuce has been a bit scorched with some frost a few weeks ago, but it's still edible. We've just got to peel them scorched leaves off the outside, so I've picked that in preference to the others, thinking I'll make some space for some new stuff, so get rid of some of them scorched lettuces. They're still edible, especially in the actual centre of it, in the core. You can see there that centre's still pretty good. The capsicums have been coming on really good this season, and I think one interesting point with that is that they're just less watering, more fruit with less water. Got some good kale here. Kale's really fresh. These ones have just come on the last few weeks, so seeing a bit more new growth with this warmer temperature, and kale's always a yummy addition to your salad sandwiches. And also some wild rocket yet again. This is wild seeded, so I've let a few plants go to seed, and then so that seed's already sitting there ready to go, and it just gives you an abundance of rocket. So this is what it looks like all cleaned up, and yeah, it just goes to show that even some stuff that might look a bit second rate, when you first pull it out, can come out quite well when it's all prepared and presented properly. And looking forward to eating that one.